Okay, this is using TeamViewer Quick Support. We need assistance. What you're going to do is launch the app, and down here at the bottom, first thing you want to do is make sure it says ready to connect. Without that, you're not going to get it to work, so you want to make sure your Wi-Fi connection is working good and you got a good connection. I haven't tested it on the 4G or 3G connection. I'll do that next. Okay, after you've done that, you want to let the person know what your number is, and then what they'll do, they'll enter into their TeamViewer client the number, and then they'll connect. Then you should get this message asking you if you want to allow them to connect to you. So you click allow, and their screen will now have a display of some information about your phone. Now, the real nice thing about this app with this particular phone, you can do remote control. So the person on the other end is going to ask for remote control, which means he'll be able to actually see your screen, and then you get this message, allow remote control, and then you click allow, and now they can not only see your screen, but they can actually manipulate it, just like as if they were holding your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home screen without touching it, and I'm going to do some things on this phone just by clicking the mouse on the computer that I have, which I'll show over here. I can use my mouse, make changes, and the changes will show up on the phone. So I haven't done a lot of different things on this yet, but I'm going to see if I can pretty much do most of what I need to do. Let's see here. Let's say I want to bring up the keyboard to type in the password. There we go. And just start typing. Yeah, I'm start typing here. Yep, on the keyboard, and it shows up on the screen. Very good.